Top 5 Odd Coincidences. Number 5. In 2002, there were two twins who were aged 70 years old who died on the exact same road on two separate occasions. The first twin was hit by a lorry and died 1.5 kilometers away from the spot where his brother was hit. Number 4. In case you didn't know, Thomas Jefferson and John Adams were amongst few to craft and edit the Declaration of Independence. Coincidentally, both died on the same day on July 4th, 1826, which was exactly 50 years from signing the historical documents. Number 3. In 1883, there was a man named Henry who was in a relationship with a distressed woman. The woman was so tired of it that she decided to commit suicide. The girl's angry brother attempted to assassinate his sister's boyfriend Henry and shot him. The brother believed that he had killed Henry and went on to take on his own life. What actually happened was that the bullet that was supposed to kill Henry had actually only grazed his face and lodged into a tree. Years later, Henry decided to take down that same tree which still had the lodged bullet in and attempted to blow it up. The explosion sent the lodged bullet flying at full speed into Henry's head, which killed him instantly. Number 2. Meanwhile, in Bermuda in 1975, a man was accidentally hit by a taxi and killed. Exactly 1 year later, the man's brother was also struck by a taxi the exact same way his brother was hit. The creepiest part about this is he was hit by the very same taxi man who was driving around the same customer on the day his brother was killed. Number 1. A king in Italy named Umberto I went to a restaurant accompanied by his general. Nothing wrong with that, right? Coincidentally, the owner of the restaurant who was serving him strangely looked identically as the king, almost like his double. Both men went on to discuss their similarities. If you're not freaked out now, then wait for the rest. Both men were born on the same day of the same year, which was March 14th, 1844. Both men had been born in the same town. Both men were married to a woman whose first name was Margarita. The owner of the restaurant opened his restaurant the first day that King Umberto was crowned king. And lastly, but weirdly, the owner of the restaurant was mysteriously shot in 1900s, and shortly after, King Umberto was also assassinated. This video was brought to you by Top 5 Unknowns. Please like, comment, and share this video, subscribe to our channel, and follow us on Twitter at Top 5 Unknowns and click either one of these videos that's posted right here.